Greet the audience and introduce the topic of emergency phone charging using a 9V battery. Highlight the importance of staying connected, especially in emergency situations when traditional power sources might not be available. What you need: a 9V battery, a car charger, USB phone charger for cars, a spring from a pen or a metal paperclip. Briefly describe each item's role in this process. 1. Preparation. Start by explaining how to safely prepare the items for use, emphasizing caution to avoid short circuits. Once you're connecting the battery, show how to attach the spring or paper clip to the positive terminal of the 9V battery. 1. Attaching the car charger. Guide viewers on how to connect the car charger to the battery using the spring or paper clip to establish the connection. 1. Charging the phone. Demonstrate how to plug the phone into the charger and start charging, cautioning against leaving the setup unattended to prevent overheating. Safety tips. Warn about the risks of short circuits and potential battery overheating. Advise on monitoring the charging process and not charging the phone completely to avoid damaging the battery. Conclusion. Recap the steps and remind viewers of the importance of this method only in emergencies. Encourage practicing the setup before an actual emergency occurs. Sign off with a reminder to always have a 9V battery and a car charger handy in emergency kits. Call to action. Ask viewers to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Encourage comments about their experiences or alternative emergency charging methods they know.